Today start the new reaction with arene sulfonyl chloride. Reaction with arene sulfonyl chloride. Look here, everybody, new reaction. Look here, arene sulfonyl chloride is called as Hinsberg reagent. It's called as Hinsberg reagent. Look here, repeat here. Arene sulfonyl chloride. It's called as Hinsberg reagent. Look here, everybody, here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, yes, double bond. Okay, next the Cl. Everybody, name of the compound here. Okay, benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called as a Hinsberg reagent. Hinsberg reagent. Look here, a distinguish between primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine by using a reaction with Hinsberg test. Reaction with Hinsberg test. Look here, a first. You know the first reaction, primary amine. First reaction, primary amine. Correct? Yes. Look here, when benzene sulfonyl chloride is reacted with ethylamine, H, okay, N, next H, okay, C2H5. Ethylamine is a primary amine. Name of the compound here, ethylamine. Ethylamine. Look here, in this reaction, remove the byproduct here, like this HCl. Okay, byproduct here, HCl. Correct? Yes. Okay, what is this? This is the primary amine. What is this? Primary amine. Look here, when ethylamine is reacted with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Name of the compound here, benzene. Okay, sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Remove the byproduct here, HCl. You know, product here like this. Okay, benzene. Yes. Correct? Okay. Next, yes. Double bond. Next, N. Next, H. Okay, C2H5 plus HCl. Look here, name of the compound here, N-ethyl. Benzene. Okay, benzene sulfonyl. Okay, everybody here, a sulfonamide. Okay, yes. Look here, simple here. Everybody, what is the action of benzene sulfonyl chloride on ethylamine? Everybody, when ethylamine is reacted with benzene sulfonyl chloride, everybody, it gives a N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. N-ethyl, a benzene, a sulfonamide. Okay, everybody, in this product here, a nitrogen containing hydrogen atom here. Nitrogen containing hydrogen, replaceable hydrogen. Everybody, this is the strong acidic in nature. And N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide soluble in alkali. Okay, look here, everybody, ethylamine is reacted with benzene sulfonyl chloride. It gives N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. Look here, everybody, here a second reaction in case of a methylamine. In case of methylamine here, 1 minute. Okay, simple reaction, methylamine. Yes, CS3. Okay, CS3. Next is the CS3. Okay, methyl. You know, Look here, what is the action of benzene sulfonyl chloride on a methylamine? Look here in this reaction, when methylamine is reacted with benzene sulfonyl chloride, it gives N-methyl benzene sulfonamide. Look here in this compound. Look here in this compound, nitrogen containing replaceable hydrogen atom here. Okay, the replaceable hydrogen atom in this compound indicate that strongly acidic in nature. Okay, this compound are soluble in alkali. Okay, this compound soluble in alkali. Correct? In case of a primary amine. In case of a primary amine. Okay, in case of primary amine, the product is N-methyl sulfonyl. Okay, sulfonamide or N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. The nitrogen containing the replaceable hydrogen atom, hence this compound is strongly acidic in nature and this compound is a soluble in alkali. Correct? Yes. Look here, a second. Look here, a second secondary amine. Secondary amine. Okay. Look here, second point, secondary amine. 1 minute. Secondary amine. Okay. Look here, benzene sulfonyl chloride like this. Yes, double bond O, Cl. Name of the compound. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Look here, when benzene sulfonyl chloride is reacted with secondary amine, diethylamine here. Diethylamine here. Yes. NC2H5, next C2H5. Okay. Look here, in case of secondary amine. Okay, this is the byproduct. Everybody remove the HCl. Name of the compound, diethylamine. Diethylamine. Look here, product here like this. Okay. Yes, double bond O, next, like this, N. C2H5, next C2H5. Plus everybody here, HCl. Look here, the name of the compound, N-diethyl. N-diethyl sulfonamide. Okay, 1 minute. N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide. Benzene sulfonamide. Name of the compound here, N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide. Look here, simple questions here. What is the action of, benzene sulfonyl chloride on diethylamine? You know answer. When diethylamine is reacted with benzene sulfonyl chloride, it gives N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide. Look here, in this compound, no replaceable hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen. Okay, no acidic in nature. Okay, does not dissolve. This compound not dissolve in alkali. This compound is insoluble in alkali. Why? No replaceable hydrogen atom. In case of secondary amine. Look at simple compound here, dimethylamine here. Dimethylamine in the product here, N-dimethyl benzene sulfonamide. Look here, in secondary amine, the product, everybody here, a no replaceable hydrogen atom on nitrogen, therefore no acidic in nature. Everybody insoluble in alkali. In case of primary amine, the product is a strongly acidic in nature and soluble in alkali. But everybody, in case of secondary amine, no replaceable hydrogen atom, no acidic in nature, but insoluble in alkali. Correct? Yes. Look here next, in case of a trialkyl amine. You know trialkyl amine, 1 minute triethylamine here, 1 minute here, like this. C2H5, okay, N, C2H5, next C2H5, correct? Okay, like this. Everybody, in case of a triethylamine or trialkylamine which have no replaceable hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen, everybody, it does not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Everybody, a triethylamine, it does not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Why? No replaceable hydrogen atom. No replaceable hydrogen atom. Okay? No reaction. No reaction. Everybody, okay, look here, this compound here. Look here, everybody, in case of the unreacted triethylamine does not dissolve in aqueous potassium hydroxide but dissolve in acid. Okay, but dissolve in acid. In case of primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, yes. In case of secondary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, yes. But in case of trialkylamine, does not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Simple question, everybody, distinguish between the primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine by using a Hinsberg test. Everybody, a Hinsberg reagent, what is meant by Hinsberg reagent? Look here, a benzene sulfonyl chloride is called as Hinsberg reagent. Hinsberg reagent. Repeat, in case of primary amine, strongly acidic in nature, it reacted with alkali or soluble in alkali. In case of secondary amine here, acidic in nature, no acidic in nature, insoluble in, everybody, insoluble in alkali. In case of third, everybody, unreacted triethylamine does not dissolve in aqueous, KOH, but dissolve in acid. Dissolve in acid, correct? This reaction, everybody, a reaction with arene sulfonyl chloride. Arene sulfonyl chloride. Okay? Thank you here.